Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to design your own magical oracle cards in Canva? Let's make it happen together. Go to the Create tab and select Cards. Here you can choose between portrait or any other style you prefer for your card design. Select the portrait card from the Cards menu. Next, choose the base template you want to use for your project from the options provided. Select the template you want to use. For example, I'll choose this one. Next, I'll change the content inside the template. To change the base color, just select it and pick a new one. You can customize any element you want. Delete the existing text. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Oracle Cards. You will see a selection of Oracle cards to use. There are many elements here in the interface. Sorry, I made a mistake earlier. This is actually Oracle, not the previous software I mentioned. Let's continue exploring its features. Choose from a variety of ready-to-use elements. Select the ones you feel most comfortable with and add whatever you need to customize your cards effectively. In this example, I have content inside one card, and in another card, we can add more elements. For instance, I can also add icons here for visual interest. Simply select the card where you want the icon, then choose an icon from the available library. Here, let's add a crystal ball icon to enhance the design. This method allows you to easily personalize each card with different icons based on your needs. If you need assistance, you can quickly access help by clicking the Help button in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, you'll find resources such as FAQs, tutorials, and support contact options. You can also use the search bar to look up your specific question or issue. For immediate help, use the chat feature to connect with a support agent. Take advantage of these tools whenever you need guidance or troubleshooting assistance. Here I've placed the sun image. Similarly, you can add your own tarot cards and write any text or custom content you want in this area as well. When finished, click Share, then select Download and choose PDF to save. PDF is ideal for printing. Save your document as a PDF, then open the file and print it from your device. You've learned how to design beautiful oracle card decks with Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative guides.